Hi guys, so this is day 2 of my attempt at 100 days of code slash productivity. So this is my second vlog update, I guess. So for today, for like my 100 days of code part, I actually ended up recording my first YouTube video series for coding, or related to coding. So it's gonna be a series where we kind of build a Laravel app, or specifically a REST API. That's eventually going to be a software as a service thing that's going to be disrupting the to-do app industry. Yeah, it's basically kind of sarcastically simple. I actually don't have my tripod today. I'm kind of holding the camera, so hopefully it's not super shaky. So that's actually currently rendering right here on the MacBook. We can see it. Yeah, it's actually taking its sweet time to render. I actually spilled a drink on my main PC earlier today. So before I can go back and use that, I actually have to make sure I clean up my desk and make sure everything's working. I didn't break anything, which kind of sucks. I actually had to throw away the power strip because it completely got soaked in my drink. It was actually a matcha tea, which I made, and I'm kind of sad about it still. And actually, my MacBook kind of sucks right now. It actually has to go in for repair, so the box to send it back in, it's in there. It's actually going to go back in, and I'm going to be without a main MacBook for a couple weeks, or I actually don't know how long it takes. Hopefully it's not a super long time because I kind of need it. So yeah, but thankfully I have my desktop and I have still my work laptop, which is for work only. Cool. So yeah, one thing I do want to talk about today, I guess, since I have to talk about something other than just what I did, it's that it's Saturday. I normally don't work on Saturdays at all. So yeah, I actually work. I'm kind of weird because I work 6 day weeks. For me, I normally go from Sunday night to Friday night. It's usually when I stop working, and then I kind of take Saturday to rest and Sunday morning to rest. I don't know. That's the way I've kind of been for years now. Even though I now work a Monday to Friday job, I technically don't have to work till weekend. I kind of still do just because I'm weird. There's always something I want to be doing to get better. So yeah, one thing is making stuff for the internet, and making stuff you're actually gonna put there is absolutely terrifying because you don't know who's gonna actually look at it. You don't know if you're actually doing good or you're saying the wrong thing. So I'm pretty sure I'm actually pretty sure these videos themselves, and pretty sure the one I just recorded for like that's coding related, it's going to be kind of like horrible and the quality is not going to be good, and I'll be surprised if anybody finds any value in it. But what I do want to do is improve little by little each day, just kind of improve a little thing. And I'm kind of out of it at this point. It's like 3 in the morning at this point. Yeah, it's 2:43 in the morning. Again, because sadly there's some stuff I can only record at nights when the house is quiet. And one thing that sucks is my AC is super loud, so hopefully there's not a lot of hum. I actually have to take my time to actually remove it in post-processing. So yeah, so to recap, today we actually pushed something to the blog, which we actually have a blog now. It's kind of bad, don't read it. And we made a YouTube video tutorial, which I guess I kind of want to stick to making like 3 a week at least. I don't know, I don't have a schedule for that. Sorry, so almost forgot. Productivity. So we do have something in regarding me being more productive. So we came up with a good plan to be more productive. Kind of redundant here, but our plan is going to be simple. We have the core of it is I don't want to think. So I just want to do stuff. I just want to be able to do stuff because I have to think every single day. What takes me the longest to do is thinking about what I need to do next. So if I can have that decided for me before time, I don't have to waste time on that. So that's the one thing I guess kind of like makes me more procrastinate, is kind of like thinking about what needs to get done. So meta work in a sense. So on Sunday nights, I'm actually going to be taking time to plan out my whole week in full detail. So we kind of be having a calendar, and we'll kind of be like nerds, and we'll kind of follow we'll kind of work stuff based on like whatever projects we have. Within those projects, we're breaking down the tasks. So in general, I guess I'll show you guys tomorrow once it's actually fully set up, but we'll have like a Google Calendar. We'll be using Trello, and then different boards. Each project will be a board. And yeah, that's how we kind of breaking stuff to work on each day. Hopefully I can stick to it. And yeah, so day 2 out of 100 of 100 days of code and productivity. Tired. To recap, we recorded a tutorial, which made me practice talking and coding at the same time, which is not as easy as it sounds. We kind of read an article on microservices. We're kind of studying and preparing for our next video, which I want to talk about the 12-factor app manifesto, which is a cool thing to talk about. Yeah, kind of excited, kind of still energetic about this. Let's make it to day 100. See if it actually happens. Bye.